Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, September 16th, 2013. It's great to be back. Wall Street ends mostly higher, and it looks like Apple down a whopping 3% today. Let's take a look here at the markets as a whole. We have mixed market, the S&P up 0.6%, the Dow up 0.77%, and the Nasdaq down in negative territory. Apple being the big dog, down through the rest of the tech heavy stocks downward. So the Russell's only up 0.22%. The bank's up 0.21%, not validating the big move that we see here in the S&P and the Dow. And then the VIX, though, the fear has increased higher by 1.6%. And you have gold and silver both sinking. Gold down 1% with the silver down 2.25%, and crude oil up by nearly 2% with the US dollar down about 0.25%. You have transportation index up a whopping 1.13%, really giving strength to the Dow's move, and utilities at break even. Take a look here at the S&P daily. A couple things I want to share with you is this. I've been telling you guys about a significant drop, and I gave everybody a warning. Well, normally what happens, you get these bounces, and right after the bounces is when the real crash happens. So I'm thinking now that we've had this nice little rally, and coming into today we had a pop and then a drop, that I think that there's downside, significant downside potential here. On the weekly chart, popped up here a little bit, but again we broke down. Here's our little pop, then we drop, and we could have a significant multi-week drop any time now. Taking a look here at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq came up there, hit its head. We gapped higher today, but then quickly sold off. So here we have a pop and a drop. We should only see downside opportunities now. So bears, be licking your chops. On the weekly chart, we failed to even hit this upper area of resistance. We went from this resistance to this resistance. We failed to hit it there. The green line does not match up with the red line. And now if it does drop here next couple weeks, this will have failed to hit that resistance point. So relative weakness yet again. Take a look here at gold. Gold continues southbound, down below all major moving averages now. Silver heading southbound, down below the 100-day moving average. We have the 50-day moving average coming in higher. Google was off a fraction, but we're hanging out right here at an area of resist or support, but we closed just below it. So this could get slippery and fast. Be careful if you're holding Google long. Apple, just a big crash down, but we do find support to 100-day moving average, which can in fact act as a support level. You can see the 100-day here acting as resistance. You can see it right here as kind of a resistance area, definitely resistance here. It could certainly be support. So let's see if that holds, or if we're just going to be in a free fall. Again, Apple down 3.18%, but that is nothing compared to Facebook's massive 4.06% haircut. Today, big drop with a huge bearish divergence. If you are holding Facebook right now, be looking to take profits. Microsoft, nothing but downside potential here. Be looking, and it's down 0.7%. Anyway, on our bear list on the Stock Picks V newsletter, if you haven't subscribed, certainly do so. It was down more than 3%. Big drop here. VLO, big drop from the 43. Now we're down at 34.5 with a lot more downside potential. So that's just a couple of about the 50 to 60 massive and very productive trades that we have going on. Thank you for being a part, and thank you, Senor Miguel Vences, for coming in and helping me out the last few days as I've been gone. We very much appreciate that. Hope you guys get signed in and get going on the free products and services that we have. Do the one-on-one courses there on the homepage.